What's up, guys? It's your boy KBDxTokyo back again with another video, and this is gonna be a nice unboxing video. As you can see behind me, I have a whole tower full of packages that I haven't opened yet. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video. I'm gonna open all these packages and show you guys what I picked up. We got some Metazoo from Event HQ. We got some Metazoo from the Goat streams. We got some Cryptid Camp to open as well. We got some Pokemon. So I want to show you guys exactly what I got. I don't want to talk too much. Let me just turn the camera around. But as always, if you guys enjoy these types of videos, please leave a like, leave a comment. And if you want to show support to the boy, all you got to do is hit that subscribe button. It's free. You don't have to, but I would appreciate it if you did. But without further ado, let me turn the camera around for you guys. All right, so we flipped the camera around, and I think we're gonna start with the top package. Now there's something weird about this stack because I ordered 2 Seance booster boxes from the Goat stream. And that's the box that's all the way on the bottom. So I ordered 2 Seance booster boxes, and I ordered a plushie, right? But then I got sent this box, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of opened it because it was weird. I wasn't expecting any packages, and so I had to open it and see what it was. And it's well, you guys will see what it is. I'm not gonna fucking talk about it. It is what it is. We're gonna open this one first. The first package, which I believe is Pokemon. Yes, this is the Pokemon stuff that I ordered from the Pokemon Center, I believe. So yeah, these were 2 per person. You can only order 2 of these per person. So I got 1, 2. But what's cool about this is that these are not the ones that I ordered. The ones that I actually ordered are up here. Hold on. So I have 4 of these bad babies. And I got them at retail, which is awesome because now they're going for like what, 75, 80 bucks a pop. So yeah, I'm not trying to sell them. It's just here for my collection. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that. So I ordered 2, and then at the time my ex-girlfriend had ordered 2, and then yeah, she just ended up giving them to me, which is awesome. She didn't have to, but I appreciate it. So now let's move on to the next box, which is, you know what? What's this box? What's this box? What's this box? Okay, I think these are 2 Cryptid Camps. So I think we should just open this one next. Let's open this one, and then we'll open the big boy. All right, so we're gonna open this box. This is a Cryptid Camp box. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we've got here. All right, awesome. We have another Cryptid Camp binder. Nice. Awesome. I'm gonna keep that baby sealed. Nothing else came in here. Awesome. Cool. We could throw that out. So we got a sealed Cryptid Camp binder. Another one just to add to the collection. I wanted a nice sealed one. Oh yeah, look. And it comes with the Loveland Frogman in this cool proto pack too. So yeah, it's cool to have one. Oh, let me show you my other one. So it's cool to have one opened, right? So I can keep my cards in to show you some of my cards that I got. All right, so what I like to do is put the pack. I have, obviously this is the proto pack, and all the cards that would come in the proto pack. Obviously I have some missing because, you know, I haven't pulled them or purchased them. And yeah, this is my page full of signatures, error cards, and custom illustrated cards, and also serialized cards. So we have the Loveland Frogman serialized. Then we have my custom illustrated Loveland Frogman on the Proto Pack 2 promo. This is the promotional promo. I'm not going to show you guys all of this, but you guys get the gist. I just thought it would be cool to have an open binder to, you know, put my cards in, and then to have one sealed for my sealed collection, which is amazing. Like, look, amazing. So now let's move on to the next Cryptid Camp package, which is something special. So I'm gonna open this box just to show you guys like what I got in the box, but I'm not gonna, you know, open what's in the box. I'm gonna save that for another video. It's gonna be a more in-depth Cryptid Camp video, just to show you guys everything that I have and give you guys a closer look at everything that's in here. So what this is a special box. It's a super special box. I believe I am the only one that's going to be on YouTube so far to show you guys each and every one of the Cryptid Camp playmats. Now, premium. Already I can tell that this is a premium item because look at the bag that it's in. Look at the bag. The bag has the Cryptid Camp logo on it as well. And this is not no cheapy bag. It looks like, you know, it's got the drawstrings, nice, for you to carry around your Cryptid Camp mats. And wow, so yeah, I have each and every Cryptid Camp mat here. And they also sent some Valentine's Day packs. I had ordered these. And yeah, so they put it in with the mats that were being sent to me, which is awesome. And you guys already know what the Cryptid Camp packs look like for the Valentine's Day mini set. So yeah, I got a couple more packs here to add to the collection, as well as every single playmat that I will be showcasing in another video. So stay tuned for a future Cryptid Camp video. But let's move on to the next package, which is this. And what is this? I don't know what this is. So when we started opening these packages, I told you that there was a package that I wasn't expecting because, you know, I had received all my packages already, and this was, you know, this was here for me. And it was from Evend Games. So I'm assuming that's Evend HQ. I'm not sure. But I didn't order anything other than the blisters, and I think I have the blisters already in another box. This is oh, this is a live stream from Groat. All right, so yeah, this is from the Groat live stream, and I had ordered 2 Seance booster boxes, and that's what we have here. We have 1 Seance booster box and another Seance booster box, and they were packaged really nice. So yeah, I know there's issues sometimes with the Groat packaging, but they seem to have packaged this really nice. But the problem is, I have already received these 2 booster boxes, so they must have sent me these by accident for free. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure, but you guys will see for yourself. So let's just put this to the side, right? I was not expecting those booster boxes. This is a sealed case of UFO booster boxes. This is a master case of 12 booster boxes that I paid $78 for on the Groat stream. I'll put up clips to show you guys that the contents in here are legit UFO booster boxes. I'm not going to open it right now because I already sealed it up and everything. So yeah, I'll put the clips up so you guys can see that they're indeed UFO booster boxes. So we're going to put this to the side. So this box is, I believe it's from Evend HQ. I had ordered the Seance blisters. They had actually gave me a deal on the Seance blisters. I believe they were, I think it was like 24 for like 30 something bucks or something like that. They actually gave me the deal for the 24 blister packs for $21. So I couldn't pass up on that. I got 2 of those bundles, so we're gonna open it and see exactly what we got in here. Let's see what we got. This is my thing. Seance blister pack, first edition, inner case, 24 packs. We have 2 of these babies. We got 2 of these babies in here. Nice. So we got one inner case, and then we got another one right here. So these are supposed to be, and they packaged it pretty good. So far, packaging has been A1. So let's check the contents. Let's check the contents in these babies. Let's see what we got. We got to make sure everything is legit. Let's see what we got here. So we got one box of Seance blisters right here. Let's check the other one. Sheesh. Alright, there we go. And we got another box right here. Just for shits and giggles, let's just open up a nice little Metazoo blister pack. I've never opened this one before, so it's going to be my first time. We have the Ghost of Sloss Furnaces, whatever, I don't know. I'm not good with reading names, so just know that. That's the promo right there. You got the coin. Cool. Let's see what we got in here. Are these hollow, full hollow heavy? I'm not sure. So we have Clairvoyance. This guy, Static Attraction. We got the Bed Sphere. We got Disbanding Energy, Phantom, Steamboat of the whatever. We got this guy. Woo! Full hollow walking Sam. And just look at this. This is why I love the Metazoo. You see the hollow foiling? How you have like the little special emblems in it. It's just amazing. So we got a walking Sam. I think, isn't walking Sam like a good card? Isn't this a fire hit? I'm not sure. But anyways, pretty lit card in my opinion. So yeah, everything seems legit. We just opened a nice little pack for you guys. Let's move on to the next box. So this box right here happens to be the first order that I did from the Quote stream. This is the first purchases that I ever purchased. Now, I'm not sure if they put the booster boxes in here or if they just put the plushie in here. But I would hope that they put both in here. I'm not sure, but we're gonna see. I got the 2 booster boxes that I ordered from Quote right there on the floor, and this seems pretty heavy. So we're gonna see if they just sent me 2 extra booster boxes for free, which would be cool. But I'm gonna have to hit them up and see if they want them back, because that's just me. I'm not, I'm not here to try to eat off of other people. If they sent it to me and they say I could keep it, then cool. That's awesome. If they want it back, then I'll send it back. Oh, I lied. So this was the first order that I did on Quote, which happens to be my plushie that's numbered out of 182 out of 500. So there's only 500 of these, and I have the 182nd one. So yeah, nice. I also have the Cumberland Dragon. Let me show you my Cumberland Dragon. So I also have this. I think it's the Cumberland Dragon hatching out of the egg, if I'm not mistaken. It's 98 out of 550. So I don't really collect plushies. I just thought it would be cool to have these, in my collection, just to support the old Metazoo. I don't know about the new Metazoo. I'm gonna check out the new Metazoo. I'm not gonna be a 100% hater. I'm obviously gonna give it time. I'm gonna check it out for myself. I want to have the cards in my hand. I want to see if they're gonna have textured cards. That's one thing that I would really like to look forward to. If they do have textured cards, or if they are making textured cards, that would be awesome. So I'm gonna give it a chance. But of course, my heart lies with the original soul of Metazoo. And That's with Cryptid Camp right now. If you guys didn't know, the original soul of Metazoo is with Cryptid Camp. I just wanted to let you guys know. And I also ordered my first ever native spell book. Now, this is the first thing that I've ever owned from Native. I should have locked in on a couple booster boxes, but I think I'm gonna end up doing that in the future. But yeah, so I need to grab at least one Native booster box to add to my collection, but I kind of really do want to collect all 4 variants. So yeah, I have two Native spell books that I got here. I think these were like what? I think I got both of them for like 20 bucks or something like that. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. It got a nice little plushie. Everything seems like it was packaged fairly well. So yeah, awesome. Not too bad. I cannot argue with anything here. Everything seems perfectly legit. So there you go. I walked you guys through all the packages that I had received. I thought I was kind of gassed. I thought they had sent me 2 booster boxes because I had totally forgot that I had ordered those spell books. And yeah, I thought they had put the booster boxes with the spell books. Anyways, I was gassed. But I also want to open 2 of these Cryptid Camp Valentine's Day packs. And remember to stay tuned for my next Cryptid Camp video where I'm going to be unboxing and revealing every single playmat, Kickstarter playmat from Cryptid Camp. So I have all the cabins, the playmats for every single cabin. And of course, I want to be one of the first Cryptid Camp counselors and one of the first people on YouTube to showcase and show all of you guys exactly how great the quality is on these playmats and to show you the difference of each and every playmat for each cabin. So it's just gonna be awesome. But let's get into these packs. I got 2 packs right here. Hopefully we can hit something nice. I still need the full hollow borderless Mothman, so hopefully I can get that. We got the Cryptid Camp promo, and let's see what we got. So we have a borderless Flatwoods monster. I think I have this already. So let's see what we got in the next pack. Let's see. I just love Cryptid Camp. I don't know, man. I love Cryptid Camp. And I think they're going to be great in the future. I think they're going to do awesome. And people will catch on. People will catch on sooner or later. They're going to see just how great Cryptid Camp is. And yeah, I listen. I could bring the horse to the water, but I can't make the horse drink the water. Okay? I just want to say that. That's it. Let's see what we got. Last pack magic. Can we slow roll this? Let's slow roll this. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we got a borderless. Borderless cards are serialized. So let's see. Did we get a serialized? We got a serialized. Last pack magic, baby. Last pack magic. Let's go. Serialized. Last pack magic. Let's slow roll this. We got the Bigfoot. Yo, I already got one of these. Yo, I got 2 Bigfoot serialized now. That means I could probably trade. With one of the other camp counselors for one of their serialized. If you're a camp counselor and you need a serialized Bigfoot and you're willing to trade for a serialized card, hit your boy up. Your boy KBDxTokyo. I'm here. Let's see, which one is this? This is 49 out of 100. 49 out of 100. So, like I said, if you guys want this, I'm willing to trade. I have 2. I don't need 2. I'll trade you guys. Anyways, it's your boy KBDxTokyo. Shout out to everyone that's been out there making content, whether if it's for Metazoo or if it's for Cryptid Camp or for Pokemon or whatever. As long as you putting in work, as long as you making content, doing what you love, that's all that matters. There's too much hate going on out there. So the best thing for us to do as content creators is to have fun, keep it positive, Of course, there's gonna be hiccups here and there, but as long as we having fun, opening packs and doing what we love to do, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. Shout out to you guys. Much love to all you. If you want to show support, hit that subscribe button for the boy. Stay tuned for the next video.